let's take out our history books. Okay, let's review. Go ahead and turn to page number 3. Give me 1 second. Okay, page 331. Okay, 331. Geography facts 6 and 7. Okay, I know we did. That's why it's called review. Okay, what is smaller than a sea that reaches into the land? Smaller than a sea and it reaches into the land. Tony? It is a bay. Good. Has a wide opening. What is the part of an ocean or sea that reaches into the land? A gulf. Good, Livy. Okay. Yes, Shane. Okay, Shane, tell me, what is a sheltered place where ships may anchor safely? It is a harbor. Good. What is a narrow body of water connecting two larger bodies of water? Savannah?
Canal.
Sorry?
A canal.
Not a canal. Okay, a canal is a man-made channel. Okay, this one is a narrow body of water connecting two larger bodies of water. Olive? A strait. Okay, this is similar to a strait but a little wider. What is that one?
A canal.
Not a
A
canal.
sound.
No.
A strait.
No.
A harbor.
Who
A
knows?
gulf.
Channel.
I said that.
No, you did not.
Dang it.
Okay. And then Savannah, a canal is a man-made channel. Okay? A sound is wider than a channel. That's what you kind of miss. So a strait is a little narrow one. Okay? Then a channel is a little wider. And then a sound is the biggest one that's connecting two larger bodies of water. And then a channel or a canal is a man-made one. Okay? What is a large body of water surrounded by land? Landon? Oh, a large body of water surrounded by land.
Oh, wait.
It is a lake. Good. What is a large stream of river that flows over the land? A large stream of water that flows over the land. We know this one.
You?
Yeah, Ariel. It is a river, okay? A river is a stream of water flowing over the land. Yes.
You said what is a large stream of river?
A stream of water is what I meant, okay? Well, if I said river, then everyone should have known that it was a river, okay? What is a river or a creek that flows into a larger river? Shane? It is a branch or what? Gavin? A tributary. Good. Okay? It's a branch or a tributary. What is the source of a river? Well, that's what I just called. The beginning of a river is called a what, class?
Tributary.
I just gave you the answer. Put on your mask. Okay? Put on your mask. Okay, the beginning of a river is called its what, class?
A river.
No, a source. I said the source, okay? The beginning of the river is called a source.
F-O-U-R-C.
Okay, where or what is it called with the land that is deposited at the mouth of a river? What is that one called? Sydney? A delta. Good.
I'm not going to
Okay. Okay, well, you better raise your hand quietly. Okay. This part of the river is the place where the river flows into the larger body of the water. Emmeline, do you know? You know the question I even asked? Because you're not paying attention. What do you have out? Why do you have science homework out in history class? I don't know either. Okay. Where is the part of a river where the river flows into a larger body of water, Emmeline? Where is that? Not a branch. It is a mouth. Okay, make sure you're paying attention. Okay, everyone turn the page. We need to continue on. Okay. We kind of talked about this a little bit. It's a continuation of geography facts number 7. Okay. The direction in which a river flows is called downstream. Okay, you don't need to know this. That's the direction of the river. Okay, anything opposite of downstream is upstream. Okay. So the direction in which it flows is downstream. The direction from which it flows is upstream. So the source where it flows is upstream. Where a river flows is downstream. Okay, if you go upstream, you have to struggle against the current. Some of you guys know what salmon are, the fish. They're the fish that are known for swimming against the current back to their birthplace to lay their eggs. That's what salmon do. Okay, the part of a river where the current is very swift or fast is called a rapids. Okay, how many of you guys have ever been whitewater rafting? Okay, I floated down some rapids, and I think I've told you that story of where I almost drowned in a river one time, but those are called rapids. That's where the part of the river where the current is swift and strong. Okay, and sometimes the water tumbles over a cliff to form, what do we know that as, class? A waterfall. Okay, continuing on. If you guys look on the right-hand side, all the land drained by a river and its branches is called a river basin. Okay, I want you to get your highlighter out. Okay, if you guys see the great rivers of the world, that chart, I want you to highlight the Nile River. It is the longest river in the world. Okay, the Nile River is the longest river in the world. And then I want you to highlight the Volga River. It's the longest river in Europe. Okay? The longest river in Europe is what, class? The Volga. And what is the longest river in the world? The Nile River. Okay, some interesting facts here. You don't have to highlight these. Okay, but the Amazon, it's located in South America. It's the second largest river in the world. Okay, but it's the largest river in the volume of water that it carries, so it's the densest river. The Congo, it's the second largest river in volume, so these are pretty deep and dense rivers. The Amazon and the Congo are. We learned about the Yangtze River. Okay, this is the third longest river in the world, and it's the longest and most important river in China. We also learned about the Yangtze River. It's the center of ancient Chinese civilization. We'll get to the Chinese civilization later. Okay, the Tigris and Euphrates, we already studied these. These were the center of the Earth's earliest civilization in Mesopotamia. You guys remember Mesopotamia? Give me a second, Gavin. Yeah. Okay. The Indus River, we just talked about that. This was the center of ancient civilization in India. Hello. Okay. So I do want you guys to know the Volga and the Nile River. Okay, make sure you guys have that highlighted. Okay, are there any questions on what to highlight? Okay, so what is the longest river in Europe, class?
Volga.
The Volga. Okay, and what is the longest river in the world?
Nile.
The Nile River. And the Nile River, thank you, Mrs. Winder, is located in Africa. Okay, and then there are other rivers located or listed for you. It's the Danube River. That's the second longest river in Europe. And then the Rhine River. It's the most important inland waterway in Europe. And then in America, we have the Mississippi River, which is the largest river in North America. And then the Missouri River. It's the longest river in North America. North America is obviously the continent where we live. Okay? Gavin, do you have a question? Okay, well, make sure that you have those highlighted. Okay, and then You guys did skill sheet number 10, right? You guys already turned that in, correct? Okay, if you have not turned that in, you should, but I do believe that we already collected those. Okay, awesome. All right, go ahead and put those away. And we do not have any reading for today. So I know today's Wednesday, but I do want to learn our song a little more. So go ahead and take out your lyrics. Okay, and then we'll go over that. You should not be talking. Shh, what did I just say, Adam? Tell me what I just said. Huh?
Get out my lyrics.
No. You didn't hear me because you were talking. I said don't talk. And you still were talking.
So we don't need to get out our lyrics?
No, I never said that. I said don't talk.